Why password protect Office documents?
Keeping sensitive data secure is crucial. Microsoft Office offers built-in tools for password protection in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. By adding a password, you control who can view or edit your files, preventing unauthorized access and maintaining privacy. This simple step can help safeguard personal information, business reports, and confidential material.
How to add a password in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint?
To password protect your document, open the file in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Click on the File tab, then choose Info. Select Protect Document or Protect Workbook or Protect Presentation. Then click Encrypt with Password. Enter a strong password, confirm it, and save the file. Your document now requires a password to open.
Tips for creating secure passwords.
A strong password is essential. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid common words, names, or dates. Make your password unique and at least 8 characters long. Remember, if you lose or forget your password, Microsoft cannot recover it, so store it safely.
Setting read-only or editing restrictions.
Other security options go beyond just opening files. In Word and Excel, you can set a password to allow editing or to restrict changes. Under the same Protect menu, select options like Restrict Editing or Mark as Final. These features prevent unwanted changes by others, adding another layer of security.
Best practices for securing Office files.
Always keep backups of important files in a secure location. Use strong, unique passwords for each document and change them periodically. Be cautious when sharing passwords. Send them separately from the file. Enable software updates from Microsoft Office to stay protected against security vulnerabilities.
Conclusion. Take charge of your data security.
Password protection in Microsoft Office is a powerful way to secure your documents. By understanding and using these simple features, you can control access to your important files and reduce the risk of data breaches. Protect your privacy. Start securing your files today.